Hey guys, this is Rosie back with another video. So today we have the 24, 26, 28 inches of deep wave with a 18-inch 5x5 HD lace closure. And it looks also real, and I'm going to show you how I put this look together. And this is how the hair comes in the mail with a nice plastic bag, and inside the bag is another bag that holds all your hair bundles, making sure it's nice and secure on its way to you. And I really love this bag, so let's just get right into it and open it up. Now you can follow them on Instagram or go directly to the website www.karmablackhair.com. And inside the bag we have 1 piece, 2 piece, 3, 4 pieces. So in total we have 3 pieces of bundle and a 5x5 HD lace closure. So I'm gonna open the HD closure first, and the hair is also silky, and it is a 5x5 lace closure. And watch as I placed it towards my skin how it disappears. And that's what you want to look for when you're purchasing a lace closure. And it's just nice and silky. And I love deep wave. Deep wave is one of my favorites. And now I am opening the 28-inch, and the weft is really nice and thick. And it is a full piece of bundle. And I'm just going to open up the 24 and 26. And this is the hair all together. And the wefts are nice and full. So that's a good thing when you're shopping. You want to make sure the weft is nice and full and thick, and that will prevent shedding. Now I'm gonna make a wig with this and also color it up, because I'm looking for like a Beyonce look, because that's my alter ego. Oh, look how bouncy that is. So this is me just coloring the hair, getting everything together, and just hold on tight while I finish doing this. And the shipping is anywhere from 2 to 4 business days. www.karmablackhair.com. Now I am cutting off the extra cap that I don't need, shading in my cap to my complexion, placing the wig on, making sure that it lines up exactly where I want it to be, cutting off the extra lace that I do not need, and applying a little bit of glue towards my forehead. And I am just gonna push that lace where the glue was so I can have that awesome melt, and voila, this is the outcome. Look how natural this lace is. OMG, this is what you're looking for, ladies. Now this is nice and secure, and it is not going anywhere. This is so elegant and nice. So you can follow them on Instagram, check them out on their website, www.karmablackhair.com, and the shipping is anywhere from 2 to 4 business days. So guys, if you want to see more content, just DM me or comment down below and let me know exactly what you want to see. And you guys have a good day. And also, don't forget, use Save 15 to save $15 off your next order. Thank you guys. Have a good day.